Hello everyone, today we are doing a real fun tip. Today Maarten is going to show us more about Jamboard by Google. So over to you.
Thanks, Melanie. So as you probably noticed in Zoom meetings, I like to brainstorm, and what I typically use is Paint. Now, it's very old school, so I was wondering if there's something a bit better out there, more current. So I tried out a few whiteboarding software programs that's available on the web-based programs, and the one that I actually like most is Google's Jamboard. So I just want to quickly show you how you create a new Jamboard. So I've opened Drive. Now, if you can just go to your Google, to your Gmail, and then from there you can open Drive. There's a previous video that we had where you can actually, it explains more in detail how to get to Drive, but pretty much if you go to the right, you can just click on this Drive icon from Gmail. So once you're in Drive, I just created the subfolders, and now I'm just going to create a new Jamboard. So I just go on New. Now you won't see Jamboard here, you actually have to go to More, and then for some reason it's the last thing. I don't know why, because I think it's quite a cool thing. But anyway, it's the last item there. So if you click on it, you're going to create a new Jamboard. So on your new Jamboard, you can now rename it to whatever you want. What do you think we should call it?
Tech Tip Jamboard.
Okay, so Tech Tip Jamboard, there we go. So now we've renamed it. So this is now a file that's basically created in here, and there you can see it's just renamed it. So in this file, it's created the new Jamboard file. So on this Jamboard, it's a whiteboard where you can basically select a pen. You can do some scribbles, draw some things. Okay, all right. So you can do some scribbles. Other things that you can do is you can put in sticky notes. So sticky notes are quite nice. You can put in, it makes it easy for you to add multiple. And you can change the color. Let's make you pink. I know you like pink, so.
I love pink.
So let's go and put in another blue one. So you can see you can put a lot of sticky notes in there. And then they've made it really easy if you want to rotate them, move them around, and you can even duplicate them. So there we've just loaned you Melanie. So you can resize and do all kinds of things with it. So that's in the sticky notes. Then some other things you can do, you can put in the image if you want to. And they're even integrated with Google Images. So if you want to put in a cat, we can just go search for a cat. And there's quite a funky cat. Let's put that cat in there. There we go. So
there we go.
You can rotate it, resize it, put it wherever you want. And also, I see here if you want to duplicate it, you can do so. You can also, control the order. So you can say, order it, send it to back. So you can send it behind something. Interesting, it doesn't go behind the sticky note. Send backwards. There we go. So you have to take it 2 layers back. But then you can put in all kinds of shapes, circles, squares, whatever. And this is actually one of the things that I like most is the ability to put in text. Because the sticky notes takes a lot of space. This is transparent, but what I really like about it, in Paint, you can't move things around once you've put it in. You need to go erase it, and then if you put text over the image and you erase the text and the image, it's quite messy. So I really like the ability that you can put text there and basically, and you can duplicate it. So you don't have to go there, select it again. It's quick and easy. And if you want to change the text, you just double click it so you can change the text as well. And you can also rotate it, and center front, center back. So I find that's quite useful.
This is so nifty.
And then what's also quite cool is you've got this laser pointer. Now, when you start drawing lines on things, it gets messy really quickly. So I love the fact that you can, do the laser pointer and it goes away. So that's something that I find quite useful. And then, but wait, there's more.
Right.
So what you can also do is you can collaborate. So now I can share this. So all you have to do is by default, it's restricted. So I can change it that anybody will link and view, for example. But I'm going to even enable you to draw with me. So I'm going to say, all right, I want to make you a collaborator so you can do everything I can do. So I just say make you an editor. I'm going to copy the link. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly WhatsApp this link to you. Now, if everything works as planned, you should be able to click on the link and you'll be able to open this Jamboard on your side and you should be able to draw with me. So I'm just going to pause the video. I'm going to send you the link and let's see if it works.
12 seconds later.
I just received it and let's see if it works, Maarten.
All right,
so
great.
I'm going to use the laser.
Great. So I can see here that you're actually on it because Anonymous Beaver, Google's calling you Anonymous Beaver, and there I can see you drawing images on there. Just go again. I think.
So if I use the pen, let's use the pen.
All right, there we go. You're drawing in black over there. I can see it. So my laser pointer is currently showing red. I can see.
And let's see what color my laser pointer is.
I'm just going to stay on the right-hand side over here. Oh, there we go. You have a pink laser pointer. Cool. So yeah, so we've got laser pointers. We can collaborate. It's really easy. You can change the background if you really want to. And
show us about the pages, Maarten.
Sure. What is also quite cool is when you're brainstorming, you know, like we've run out of space here, and let's say you want to start on a new page. It's so easy. You just click right, and it opens a new blank one, and you can start scribbling over here. And if you want another one, you can just start a new page. And then if you click on the down arrow, you can see all the pages you've made in a specific Jamboard, and you can, it opens it at the bottom. And if you want to duplicate one that you've made already, there you go. Just click on duplicate and then you can continue. So it's quite handy if you want to create something, let's say let's go to a blank board, for example, and say, okay, let's just put something on there without any text. And I can say, all right, create me 3 copies of that. So 1, 2, 3. And then I can go back when I'm brainstorming and just say, okay, then now we can start putting in the text. So, I've got my images in there, or you can just go, you can even have, if you want to duplicate that one with the text, it's even better because then you can just go and alter the text if you want to do something else.
That is so interesting.
Yeah, no, I'm blown away. I'm using it all the time. It makes meetings more fun and very, very interactive. Because one of the problems you're sitting with in Zoom, yes, you can use the annotate thing, whatever, but everybody doesn't know where it is necessarily. Over here, we can draw together. We can use laser pointers together. Yes. We can really
I think that's what I enjoy the most, the fact that you can collaborate in real time.
Yes, everybody's engaged. I love it.
Yes, me too. Thank you, Maarten. This was so useful and I'm definitely going to use this.